Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today I want to talk to you about, are annuities income? Are they treated as income? So if you have Social Security coming in, and maybe you have a pension coming in, and you're wondering, all right, well, how much am I going to be taxed if I have an annuity paying me as well? Well, there are certain rules for annuities. Now, as far as taxation, pensions, annuities, they are not considered earned income. So let's say you have an annuity paying you out, let's say $35,000 a year, and your pension's paying you out $25,000 a year. Okay, so you have both of those, and put together, you've got $60,000 a year coming from your pension and from your annuity, and then you've got Social Security. And let's say your Social Security is $30,000. Okay, so here's the thing with Social Security is they have a certain level that you get up to, and they will tax more and more of it up to a certain point. The most that they will tax of your Social Security is 85%, which means if you're getting $1,000 a month, only $850 of it is going to be taxed. And that's if you're at a certain level of income. And it depends on if you're single or joint, but it's pretty low. And so most people do get pretty close to having most of their Social Security, at least most of that 85% taxed. So yeah, I wish they would update those income thresholds, which were like in the 80s, but they haven't. So that's just how it is. So the thing is when people are wanting certain benefits, maybe they don't qualify for them because their income is too high. And especially for Social Security, they don't want to be taxed on Social Security, or at least they want to limit it as much as possible. So here's the thing with pension and annuities. It's not going to be shown as income or as earned income. And so if you got a really low Social Security payment, you might not have any of it taxed or very little of it because they're not going to recognize the income coming from that annuity. Okay. So that's pretty cool. And it's a good thing to know. A lot of people don't know that. When you're planning your retirement, you're planning your income planning, you need to think about your net income, and you need to plan on how much taxes you're going to actually have to pay. Everything has its own rules. Now, keep in mind, you will be taxed on your annuities, just however it comes out. If it's coming out of an IRA, you're still taxed at ordinary income rates. So keep that in mind. If it's a non-qualified, you're taxed at the exclusion ratio, which means just a portion of it is going to be taxed and the rest of it will be tax-free. So it just depends on how you fund it. But those are important things to consider when you're doing income planning and tax planning, and you're thinking, all right, here's how much money I need at retirement. Here's how much net I need. Will your house be paid off? Do you need extra money for, health expenses? Sometimes we get older and we got to replace certain things like maybe a hip or a knee. It's nice to be able to know that we got extra money for that. So all of those things are important to consider when you're doing income planning. But just so you know, annuities are not considered earned income, and that will make a difference as far as just the different things that you have access to because of that. And of course, it will make a difference on how your Social Security is taxed. Anyways, this is a really short video, but I wanted to just dive into that a little bit because I get that question a lot because people are always trying to keep their income as low as possible because maybe they have certain things that they're trying to get access to as far as healthcare and other things that would maybe they wouldn't have access to because their income was too high. So if that's a concern to you, we can chat about that. So if you got questions on that, let me know. Please like and subscribe. If you want to get on maybe a Zoom call, you'll notice there is a link below this video, and that's how everyone gets on my calendar. So if you want to chat about your annuity needs, maybe you're looking for just lots of guaranteed income or just a certain amount of guaranteed income, or maybe if you're just looking to shelter it from any market risk, but you still want growth, there are annuities for that work really, really well. So I'm happy to go over that with you. I won't try to sell you anything, just try to help you. And of course, if that's something that does fit you and you think that will benefit you, then of course I can help set that up for you. So anyways, hope that helps. Hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you next time.